very much in favor kami sa una because doon lang sa 120 minutes, malaking pera yun so, nahirapan na kami nung kinocompute namin yung budget for the ads. Malaking pera yung sa 120 minutes. Isipin mo kung madaming istasyon yung pwede mong labasan nun. Siyempre, makakalamang doon yung maraming resources. And definitely, hindi kami yung madaming resources pagdating nitong eleksyon na to. So, parang nai-equal yung playing field. No? So, pabor kami doon.
Isn't that premature campaigning?
No, the Supreme Court has already spoken doon sa Piñera versus Comelec na there is no such thing as premature campaigning. 'Di ba ang nangyari kasi doon dinisqualify ng Comelec si Piñera for supposedly premature campaigning. Pero binaligtad ng Supreme Court yung decision ng Comelec. So, talagang maliwanag ngayon na walang premature campaigning. Kung maaga kami nangangampanya, yes, maaga kaming nangangampanya. We cannot match the government machinery, we cannot match the government resources. So, anong gagawin namin? So, we start early, di ba? Admittedly, we've started early. Yan ang kailangan namin panlaban. Tsaka di ba sinasabi nga nila, daig ng maagap ang masipag. So, yan ang panlaban namin. So, that is the reason why we have started early. Pagdating naman sa ads, admittedly, ads are cheaper now than during the campaign period. So, we just wanted to take advantage of that.